Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will share 5 useful tips and tricks you can use in Windows 10. So let's start with our first feature you can use. If you are facing any kind of issue related with your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth or your sound, the first thing you can try is run the troubleshooter. I will show you how to use the troubleshooter in Windows 10. First, click on this Windows icon. Then click on this settings option. Now in this search box, type troubleshoot. You will get this result, troubleshoot settings. Click on it. After that, click on additional troubleshooters. Now this will show you all the options. So if you are getting issue with your printer or with your audio, system audio, or issue with your Bluetooth, just open the troubleshooter and after that click on it. Then click on run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify the problem and try to resolve it as well. So you can use this feature troubleshooter in Windows 10. Now move on to the next feature you can use. So in Windows 10 you will get a preloaded malicious software removal tool. I will show you how to use that tool. So right click on Windows icon, then click on this run option. Now here you have to type MRT, then click on OK. And after that wait for 5 to 10 seconds. So this is the tool, Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So this tool will help you to scan your PC and this will automatically remove all kind of malicious software from your system. So click on next. After that click on full scan, then click on next. So this will scan your PC completely and remove all kind of malicious software. So you can use this feature as well. Now move on to the next thing you can use is Storage Sense. I will show you how to use Storage Sense in Windows 10. Just click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Click on system. On the left side, click on storage. After that, on the right side, you will get this option Storage Sense. So this will automatically free up the space and delete all the unnecessary and temporary files from your system. So you can enable this option. This is a very good option. If you want to add any software shortcut on your desktop or on your taskbar, I will show you how to do it. Just click on this Windows icon. After that, select the software you want to use. So let's suppose if you want to add this software on the desktop, just drag it and drop it on the desktop like this. Okay. Or if you want to add this software on your taskbar, just do the same thing. Go to the software and drag it and drop it on the taskbar like this. Okay. So this is how you can add any software shortcut on your desktop or on your taskbar. The final thing you can use is Task Manager. I will show you how to use Task Manager on Windows 10. Just right click on the taskbar, then click on Task Manager. If you see this kind of small window, just click on more details. So in the Task Manager, you can see or monitor your CPU uses, your memory uses, or your disk uses, as well as your network uses. So you can use this Task Manager to monitor your system uses, and if there is any software which is consuming so much of your system uses, you can close that application from this Task Manager. I will show you how to do it, how to close any application which is consuming so much of your system. Just right click on that software. After that click on End Task. So you can use this Task Manager. This is a very useful feature as well. So these are the 5 useful features, 5 useful tips and tricks you can use in Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.